Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to print a double-sided copy using Microsoft Word. A great thing if you want to sort of conserve paper and save the trees. So, here we are inside of Word, and I'm going to come up to the Office button and click Print. And it's going to, I don't have a printer installed right now, but you could click on the properties, and if your printer was a duplex printer, it would give you some options on how you wanted to multiplex it perhaps. However, what we can do is we can click on this manual duplex. And what that will do is it will print your document out of a regular printer, and then it will ask you to feed the paper back in a very specific way, and it will print back on the other side. So basically it's going to print page 1, 3, 5, etc., and then it's going to print 2, 4, 6, 8. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to print double-sided copies using Microsoft Office. If you have any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.